Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a little bit of a different video. I'm going to do a money swap because I am taking some I'm taking some money out of specific sinking funds because I'm doing certain purchases in the near future, like in the next couple days, or I've already done them. So let's just jump right into it. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy, stick around and subscribe. Also, I just opened up a shop recently, so if you're interested in anything that you see here, it's most likely on the shop, including like the cash envelopes and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to as well. So the first thing I wanted to do was to take out money from my family sinking fund. From the sinking fund, I am going to be taking out $160. I am taking my entire family to Sesame Place for my niece's 3rd birthday. So I'm really excited about it, and I am buying the tickets very soon. So that's going to be $160 around there for 4 people. So let's go into my family. Is family in, I can't remember if it's in my purple binder or mint binder, but okay, yeah, family, we're taking out 160. So let's see, 150 and 60. So we'll take that out of there, and then I'm just going to line that up here. Okay, and then I'm also going to be taking out some money from my health envelope. That is going to be $60 because I did purchase some kickboxing classes. If you guys are familiar with Rumble, Rumble is like a cardio kickboxing type of class, and they have tons of locations in major cities, and in Philadelphia they have one downtown. I love Rumble. I've done it several times before, so I wanted to go again with one of my friends that has never been. So health, I think it's in this green binder. Yep. And I think we only have $60 in here. Let me just double check. 20, 40, 50, 60. Yep. So we'll be taking that to the bank as well. So now health has 0, but we will take a look at that later on. So that's pretty much everything from the binder. So let's set that to the side. Again, if you guys are interested in any of the envelopes and stuff, check out the website down below. All right, so what I wanted to actually money swap for was from the 52-week challenge. This thing is stuffed. It is stuffed to the brim, and it gives me anxiety. I am going to be changing out this envelope very, very soon because, or in October. I already made an envelope for it. But this is too much, you guys. And I made a mistake when I was doing the, you know, challenge, yearly challenges update for you for September. And I made a mistake by pulling out like wrong denominations. Anyway, we need to condense this. So since we have some money here, I want to see how much we could actually get rid of in here because it's just so aggressive. So let's start with the ones. I definitely want to get rid of as many ones as possible. So let's see what we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so yeah, we can definitely take a 20. Okay, perfect. So we'll put that back in here. Let's reorganize that. All right, and then we could actually probably do a 50 for sure. So let's do 20, 40, and a 10. So that's 50 there. So we will swap that out for this one. And then what else can we do? Let's see. We do have 100, so let's take some 20s out of here, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Perfect. And I think that's it. Is that it, you guys, that we can do? I mean, we could make we could get rid of some of these. Sometimes I like to leave smaller bills in here in case I need to swap them out. So I think that's all we're going to do for now, you guys. I want to keep some 5s and 10s in here just in case, but I think that is pretty good. So let's see what it looks like now. Look at that. We literally probably downsized it to half its size. This is what I really wanted to do. It was to honestly get rid of all the ones in here. So this is what's actually going to the bank now for these transactions that I'm doing. All right, so let's just quickly double check. Right in here, we should have 160 plus 60, which is 220. So let's just double count and make sure this is 220. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. All right, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, and then this should be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep, so 220 is going into the bank. So a super fast, quick video. I just wanted to pop on and do that for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, let me know. All links are down below. And I hope you subscribe and stick around. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!